Welcome to Zayrobo Cartoon, where learning is fun and every smile counts.
Zayan, can you help me a little? There's so much to do.
But I'm busy playing, Mama.
Oh, these are so heavy.
Maybe I should help, Mama. Don't worry, Mama. I'll help you.
Thank you, Zayan. That's very kind.
Can I help wash too? Of course. You can rinse the plates.
Good job, Zayan. You are learning.
Look, Mama. I can sweep like you.
Wow. You're my little helper.
Plants need water, just like us.
Yes. You're taking care of nature, too.
Dinner is ready, Mama.
Perfect. You have done it so well.
Because you helped, everything finished faster.
Helping makes me happy. Friends, always help your mom and dad at home.
Yes, teamwork makes life easier and fun.